Hello tubers, Mescal here. This is a follow-up to the carbon nanotube reaction you saw me playing with, and so I've got a magnet just over here, and I'll show you how it behaves with the magnet. And I just sort of wanted to give it a wobble and show you how it likes to stick together. And it likes to striate and make itself into stringy things. So we'll put it over the magnet now. It's a strange behaviour. It doesn't behave like you'd expect iron filings to behave. It will coalesce and hang out where the magnet is. As you can see there, as I swirl it around, we're getting a bunch of it sit right on top of where the magnet was. If you look up the behaviour of them, it's mentioned that they will magnetise. Like in the presence of a magnetic field, they will take on a magnetic charge and then behave differently. They're not intrinsically magnetic, if that makes any sense. I'll just swirl that around over the top of it again. Okay, I should be able to sit the container on its side like that, and then use the magnet to just down here on the side. You can see it's behaving a bit like iron filings, but not entirely. Interesting stuff. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you that update. Thanks for watching.